Good morning, everybody. This is Similar Figures. Similar figures are same shape, different size. Different size. Same shape, different size. Okay, now look at these figures. Which of the following figures is similar to the figures above? The answer here is going to be D. And the answer over here is going to be H. If I turn the page, which shapes appear to be similar? It's going to be 2 and 4, which is A. Now I'm going to go over problem 4 and give you some hints for some other problems. I think the best way to do these types of problems is really to label these line segments here. I know that one corresponds with this one here, and then this one and this one. These all correspond. So we can set up a proportion and figure out the one that we need. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle VWX. What is the length of VW? So we're trying to solve for the yellow one. So what we can use is we're given this and we have this. So we can use this comparison here, the 21 and 42, to help us with this. So 21 over 42, this comparison here, 21 over 42, I'll make this a little bit darker, 21 over 42 is equal to, and now notice that this is the big triangle. I'm going to do the purple first, which is 7 over x. 7 over x. Now once I've set out my proportion, I'll be able to solve for x. And notice how this is the small triangle, so everything is vertically and horizontally aligned. So it's 21 times x is equal to 42 times 7. So we have 21x is equal to, and I'll multiply 42 times 7 over here. 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 times 40 is 28. So we have 294. Now I'll divide both sides by 21. And I'll do that division right here. 21 goes into 29 one time. 8, bring down the 4. 21 goes into 84 14 times. Okay, so x is equal to 14 feet. So the answer for the length in VW is 1, 4, 14. I'll fill in my bubbles. Okay. Now for a problem like this, what I would recommend is, once again, labeling your sides. So, say this is the purple. Now, which would be the purple in this shape here? It's going to be the one across from the little thing here, so it's going to be this 9. As you were trying to find, so these two shapes are similar, we're trying to find the length of ST, this question mark. I'm going to make it X. So I'm going to make that yellow here. I'll make this yellow. Now to set up this proportion, I can do big shape is equal to the of the ratio here of the big shape, then here I'll have the small shape. So I can have the purple, 30 over 10 is equal to 9 over x. Let me show you why. So the purple here, and the purple here, and then the yellow here, and the yellow here. And then you'll be able to solve for this, this proportion. Now I want to go to a few problems here. Well, this one here, label your sides. We're going to be solving for DE. For this problem, it's a very important problem. What I suggest is to break this into two triangles. Now, there's this big triangle, and I think it's going to be helpful if you break it out of the shape. So there's this entire triangle. This entire length here is this entire length. So it's going to be 8 plus 3, which is 11. Here it's going to be 4. Now there's also this triangle, which is similar to this entire triangle, but it's just much smaller. Now we know that this is 3, and we're trying to find the height of the distant building, which is this length right here, if you see this triangle, which is going to be x. So now using these two triangles, solve for x. I think that'll be it. I can help you guys as much as I can. Thank you very much, everybody.